I'd like a squeeze of lemon on my pancake.
Dinosaur.
Think of a fruit you'd like on your pancake, George.
Strawberry.
George loves strawberries.
These pancakes are going to be yummy.
And what do you all fancy doing after we've eaten our pancakes?
We could go to the park and feed the ducks.
Good idea, Peppa. Or we could go for a ride on Grandpa Pig's train.
Yes, Grandpa Pig's train. And I could see all my friends.
Or we can take a trip in Miss Rabbit's helicopter.
Yay! Helicopter ride.
Peppa loves helicopter rides.
Or we could go to Grandad Dog's garage and drive the little cars.
Vroom, vroom, vroom. Beep, beep, beep.
George, what would you like to do in the park?
Dinosaur. George, they don't have dinosaurs in the park.
Well, actually, they do have dinosaurs in the park. And you can even ride them.
Wow.
But before we do any of that, we have to make our pancakes.
Oh, yes, the pancakes. I'm getting quite hungry.
So am I. Mummy, will my pancake be long?
No, Peppa. Your pancake will be flat and round, like everybody else's.
That was a very bad joke. Goodbye, everyone. Have lots of fun in Peppa Pig World.